All those people who are distorting the master plan of Abuja, too bad, too bad. If you know you are built where you're not supposed to build, it will go down. It will go down. Be a minister of anywhere, be an ambassador. If you know you have developed where you're not supposed to develop, your house must go what? Down. Those who have taken over the green areas to build, sorry, our parks must come back. The green areas must come back. If you hate green, you must hate yourself. So if you know you have anybody who is involved and have taken over the green areas, have taken over the parks, to where you now do restaurants, no, we will not accept that. Sorry. If your father have done that, sorry. If your mother have done that, sorry. There's nothing I can do. It will go down. I don't care whom you are. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what we know. We must sanitize the place. I don't look at people's eyes. I don't know how you feel. My happiness is that the people of Abuja are happy. That's all. So, my Minister of State and myself are going to work to make sure we achieve this, that will make people now say, yes, Abuja has returned to what it's supposed to be.